Hi guys, just making this quick video to show you how to delete leads in Smartlead. So one of the most annoying things about Smartlead is you get a limit on the amount of active leads you can have in your campaigns. And this is obviously annoying because if you get replies from leads, um, you want to make sure that you keep those replies in your system so that you can carry on following up with them. You might also want to upload new campaigns and you've sort of run out of space. And this is kind of a beginner issue, but this trick helps me out a lot. So I think this would help you out. Is you just go into your campaign, you click on lead list, and then use the filter and you go to email status and you click not replied and then apply. And you obviously want to do this when the campaign's finished sending, but this will show you all of the leads who haven't replied. And most of the time, you can just delete those leads. So you can just press delete filtered leads. Um, and then it will just leave you with all the leads who did reply. And that's usually the ones that you care about because it will be the people who said unsubscribe, so they'll be added to your do not contact list. And when you're uploading new campaigns, if you select don't include leads that are in another campaign, then because they're in this campaign, we won't send to them again. And it will also make sure you don't delete your interested leads as well. So people who've actually replied and you want to keep in your system, in your CRM and Smart Lead. So yeah, just a little quick hack you can use. If you're interested in growing your B2B business, you can click the link below and we can have a quick chat and see if we'd be a good fit. But other than that, subscribe to the channel, check out the other videos. Thanks for watching.